Hello everybody, so today I will talk about finance. The question in here is about compounded continuously. This is about the topic in here. So the formula to calculate about this one, that should be about future value equals to present value multiplied with e to the power of rt. So the formula in here, so we have 40,000 multiplied with e to the power of 5% multiplied with number 10, that's about 10 years. So you got the final answer in here, that should be about 65,948.85, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.